So hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and this part of the vlog is a pretty unusual introduction because the following video you're gonna see now is shot on I guess Friday, and right now it is like Monday and it's midnight right now, and I had to record this because I'm straight away gonna edit this vlog and upload it. So let's get straight to the vlog. Take number 4. Okay. So guys, we are in the middle of this river and I'm with Sarwart.
Hi.
And we're just chilling out over here, trying to get some content for my vlog. I just broke my momentum of vlogging, and the frequency with which I uploaded, because I had a plan after my 12th exams of boosting up my channel and uploading regular content. So that's not what I did, but I'm gonna try and do that from this vlog onwards. And where are we going after this?
Someshwar, I guess.
Yeah, Someshwar. So we are going to Someshwar because the dam water has been released, and it's got a nice flow, so the waterfall over there is, I can hear
It's much more alive.
Yeah,
I still can hear the voice of the water splashing on the rocks.
Okay. Sarwart has got a very nice vocabulary than me. Sorry for that. The boat guys just called us because we marked, we crossed this flag mark, and now we are returning. It wasn't that that cool ride what I had expected it to be, but that's that. So I'm finally over here at the Someshwar waterfall, and the flow is pretty damn high, I would say. It's very strong, and obviously there are going to be people because Indian population is so high. So I'm gonna take a time lapse, but I cannot go down. I mean I can, but the people down there will interfere with my time lapse. So I'll just check this frame out, and so I'm at this very risky location right now at the edge of this waterfall. Please don't try this. I highly request you to not try this anywhere. And because I can feel the rocks vibrating, like the force of the water is very damn high. I'm getting a vertigo over here, while just watching at the waterfall.